okay if you love cannoli but you do not want to fry anything. You're going to be obsessed with these No-Bake Cannoli Cheesecake Cups. They've got a crunchy magic shell layer that stays crisp, a creamy cannoli-style filling, and a cherry-amaretto ripple that tastes like a bakery dessert. I'm keeping everything super simple, no oven, no complicated equipment. And for the full ingredient list with exact measurements in US and metric, I'll drop the recipe link in the first pinned comment. Plus, you can always find it at nobakedessertslab.com. First, strain your ricotta. This is the difference between thick, bakery-style cups and a runny filling. Just cheesecloth, a strainer, and let it drain in the fridge 8 to 12 hours. For that cannoli shell vibe without frying, we're using waffle cone crumbs and pistachios. It's buttery, crunchy, and it tastes like the best part of a cannoli minus the mess. Mix the crumbs with cocoa, cinnamon, salt, and melted butter, then press it firmly into your cups. You want it packed, so every spoonful has that crunchy base. Now my favorite trick, a thin layer of dark chocolate mixed with a tiny bit of coconut oil. Once it chills, it turns into a crackly magic shell barrier so the crust stays crunchy for days. This cherry amaretto ripple is what makes these taste like a true pastry case dessert. It's sweet, deep, a little almondy, and it cuts through the richness perfectly. Quick pro move, bloom unflavored gelatin in cold water for 5 minutes, then melt it for a few seconds. This helps the filling set beautifully so your cups look clean and piped like a dream. Beat cream cheese and mascarpone until smooth, then add the drained ricotta. Flavor it with powdered sugar, honey, vanilla, orange zest, espresso powder, a touch of cardamom, and salt. It's classic cannoli, but richer and more luscious. Temper the gelatin with a spoonful of filling first, then mix it in. Next, whip cold heavy cream to soft peaks and fold it gently. That's how you get that airy, spoonable cheesecake texture without it going runny. Assemble time. Pipe the filling halfway. Add a little cherry ripple right in the center. Give it one gentle swirl, don't overmix, and then pipe the rest on top. Already looks like something from a bakery, right? Chill at least 2 hours. 4 is even better than top with pistachios, mini chips, candied orange, crushed cannoli shell, and chocolate curls. For the full written recipe with exact measurements and tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com.